Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the markets. Guys, let's immediately get into today's content. Let's start with Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, currently back at greed. Wow, just a couple of days ago, last week too, we were at fear, guys. We were fearful. It was in the red orange here. People were fearful. Market was indecisive. We had a brief downturn, but man, we're back at greed pretty quick. The sentiment of the markets, is wild. It is insanity, as we can see with Ethereum, guys. Look at that. We have a green bullish positive candle for Ethereum once again for the fourth consecutive day at $1,732, guys. Wow, it's just amazing. It is honestly. I mean, we do see that 2000 level is going to be that next pivot high. This one is currently battling right now. If it breaks this, then we're looking at this is going to be pivotal. If you see Ethereum close a candle above $2,000, man, fireworks will come. Bull market is back. That would be insanity. But going a little bit, at a more micro level, we do see that this is a point of confluence, guys, right here. Basically the ascending channel is, you could extend it a little bit and see that there's a point of confluence right now between the resistance and the ascending channel, top part of the channel, guys, as we can see. So that 1786 is so pivotal. We've been talking about this level for months, literally, guys, for months. We've been saying, guys, 1786 is that next key resistance, and essentially, we touched it, per se. It's not in a literal fashion, but it's close enough where we've already attempted to pierce through that resistance once. Now with this candle, you see the clear rejection wick here. A lot of sell pressure at this level because it's just, look, if you zoom out once again, you see it was this pivot right here, and then the price interacted here and here as well. And if you go to the past, look at that, 3 main support points as well for Ethereum at this level. So it is just pivotal. It's pivotal, guys. If you see as a first stepping stone Ethereum above this level, which is extremely close to do, that's a good sign. That's a very bullish sign, and that's just what we're watching right now. There's a lot of bullishness in the markets. A lot of people are excited. Markets have been very, very bullish for the last couple of days, and for this week. So people, emotions, the sentiment is all over the place, but we want to stay just even keel. You just want to let the charts play out and just watch those key levels like a hawk, man. This level right here, 1786, is that level for Ethereum. It might pierce it today, who knows, right? By the end of the day today or this week, but excuse me, but until it does, then it hasn't. And as long as we're below that resistance, there's always room for a reversal from there as well. So we'll see. We'll definitely see. But man, we had a clear fake out, reclaimed the ascending channel, and also the previous blue downtrending line as well. So Ethereum showing a lot of strength, guys. A lot of strength being shown by Ethereum. Also on the weekly, just look at that. Look at this strength. The RSI is just making higher highs. So, the price is going to either come and make a higher high, or we're going to have divergence, and then it'll go up at a later time. But man, a lot of things going on with the markets. That's the levels we're watching. 1786 for ETH. You wake up one day and it might be tomorrow, you wake up and we're above it, then that is definitely a good sign to come. And then with Bitcoin, usually we don't talk about Bitcoin in Crypto Climate. We like keeping things separate. I just made a Bitcoin climate video yesterday, but now I just wanted a quick mention this, guys. Same with Bitcoin. Look, we pierced through the $25,171 mark. As we can see, we actually got to the next resistance point of 26,500, and that's amazing. A lot of bullishness, but again, we do see a massive wick at the time of recording. A lot of sell pressure, a lot of people taking profits at this level. Why? Because 25,000 is a key pivotal resistance, as we can see one area here and another right here as well, guys. So right now it is massive resistance, currently battling with that resistance line, trying to pierce through and close the candle by the end of the day today. So that's why it's so important. I made this emergency update, not just for Ethereum but for Bitcoin. If you see closure of the candle above this key level, and then the next confirmation candle holds above the $25,171 level, then man, fireworks are gonna be here, and then 30K should come soon. But hey, I see a lot of bullishness in Twitter, a lot of people already calling for 30K. And, we're bullish right now. It might. If we close above this level with candles and various candles, then, it's more probable that we actually end up going to 30K. But until this candle closes, we can't sing the victory song. We just got to be patient and wait. And as you can see, a lot of resistance. So by the end of the day today, and at the end of the confirmation candle tomorrow, essentially at the end of the day tomorrow, we'll have a better view of the charts and more information to play with. So as we can see here, the total crypto market cap for altcoins also just had a massive bounce, guys. For the last 5 consecutive days, a lot of bullish positive green candles on its way, as we mentioned previously, to $616 billion as that key resistance. And wow, what a candle, a clear rebound off this downtrending line here, where we've rebounded twice before in the past. So just a lot of bullishness, a lot of money coming into the altcoin market as well, almost at 600 billion, but it's at 589 right now. And yeah, man, we're just keeping our eyes out for that resistance. If you see the altcoin market cap above $616 billion, either today, if we pump through or pierce through, or in the next couple of days and hold a couple of candles above that level, man, that would be a great sign. It would. We would expect 700 billion in no time, guys. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed with regards to that. Then we move on to the Bitcoin dominance. Wow, what a candle today. We do see basically a big wick here, as you can see, with the Bitcoin dominance. But really what I want to touch base is this pattern. We've been mentioning this wedge pattern for a while now. Of course, we had a little fake out down here for a couple of days, but look at that. We called it. We said, basically these tend to break towards the upside. And what did we do yesterday and just recently? We broke to the upside, and we said if that happens, then the next most likely scenario is a 48% Bitcoin dominance, either in the next couple of days or the next couple of weeks. And we're definitely on track for that, guys. If you enjoy this informative content, don't forget to subscribe to our educational channel. Like this video, helps the algorithm, guys, and click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. Don't forget, we have a free educational playlist. Hey, click the description down below, get a pen, paper, pencil, whatever you want. These free educational presentation videos here for you guys. So a lot of movements, in the markets as of recently. Again, the top 5 altcoins, we see our Ethereum at $1,732, up 11.45%. Number 2, BNB at $312, up 8.58%. Number 3, XRP, the scam, at 37.8 cents, or 37.9, down just 0.8%. Cardano, it's 35 cents, up 8.17%. And then we have Matic once again above Dogecoin at $1.20, up 6.18%, guys. So guys, the markets have been pumping so much. The top 5 best performers in the last 7 days, we start with cornflakes, guys. Conflux at 30 cents, up 50%. Wow. Number 2, Kava at $1.17, up 47.63%. Number 3, Stacks at almost a buck a pop, up 41%. Number 4, Aptos at $14. Excuse me, guys, up 27%. And then Singularity Net up 25% at that 51 cent level, guys. A lot of volatility. Wow. Then we move on to Huobi token, the worst performers in the last week. $4.20, down 15%. Then EOS, the OG, almost at $1, down 5%. Number 3, another scam, Terra Classic at, that's way under a penny. That's free. down 4%. Number 4, the OG Dash at almost $60, down 4.62%. And then Flare at 3 pennies and down 3.80%, guys. So if you enjoy this content, guys, don't forget to make sure to follow us, in our social networks. We have our website link in the description down below. Great investment tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, your attention, and your support, and I hope you guys have a good one.